Hi everyone, I am Subbaraju sir from Coding Masters. If you're planning to build a career in data science, artificial intelligence or machine learning, then this video is for you. Many students ask me, why should I choose a data science course in Ameerpet? The answer is simple. Ameerpet is one of India's leading IT training hubs where thousands of students and working professionals come to upskill and prepare for high-demand careers. Learning in this environment gives you exposure, motivation, and opportunities to grow. At Coding Masters, we focus on industry-oriented practical training. Instead of only teaching theory, we help you understand concepts through real-time live projects, case studies, and hands-on practice. Our data science program covers essential technologies like Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, prompt engineering, AI tools, and data visualization, helping you build practical skills that employers value. We also guide you with resume preparation, LinkedIn profile optimization, mock interviews, and placement assistance to help you prepare confidently for job opportunities. Whether you're a student, working professional, career switcher, or someone returning after a career break, this program is designed to help you learn step by step with expert guidance. If you'd like to know the complete course structure, batch timings, learning roadmap, and other details, attend our free live demo session. During the demo, we'll explain everything in detail and answer all your questions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more career guidance and data science updates. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in our live demo.